Yan po ang ating idadab ko na lang muna. Yan ay teaser pa lang po ng mga maaari nyo masaksihan for 2 days.
Sa ilalim ng kalangitan, may kwento ng pag-asa, kasiyahan. Mga lobo sa ulap, sabay-sabay lilipat. Mga pangarap, sama-sama nating abot between sky divers. Sumasayaw sa hangin, para motor na tila panaginip. May ka-showbiz na nakakabilib. Fiesta ng tunog at sigla ng Pilipinas. Oh yeah! Hiraya Music Fest, tara na sumama. Tara na't mangarap at tumindak sama-sama. Sa bawat hilig, sa bawat kulay ng langit. Hiraya, pangarap na ating pag-ibig. Hiraya, yeah! Music Fest, halina't sumigla. Pilipino pride, ating dala. Hiraya, manawari, sabay nating sigaw. Mga pangarap na yon, abot tanaw. Sa tugtog ng musika, sabay tayong lalaya. Bawat awit, bawat tindak, may saya. Mga balon na sumasayaw sa ulap. Tulad ng pangarap, abutin huwag kay suko. Tuloy lang, family, friends, lahat invited. Sa Hiraya at United, mula umaga hanggang gabi, bawat sandali may halakhak at ngiti. Hiraya Music Fest, tara na't sumama. Tara na't mangarap at tumindak sama-sama. Sa bawat hilig, sa bawat kulay ng langit. Hiraya, pangarap na ating pag-ibig. Hiraya, 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 yeah. Mga pangarap, abutin pa. Hiraya, hiraya, sa musika tayo'y isa. Hiraya, hiraya, sa musika tayo'y isa. Hiraya, Music Fest.
Hiraya Music Fest 2026. There you have it. That is the official music video of Hiraya. And that's just a sneak peek on what's in store for you for that amazing weekend. Siyempre, with that amazing concept, there are amazing people with us today. The brains of Hiraya 2026 at makakasama natin for that spectacular weekend. We would like to introduce them one by one muna. Sila ho yung sasagot sa inyong mga katanungan. And I guess they're ready for you guys, okay? We're gonna begin with the project manager of Hiraya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Marvin Atienza. We also have the co-producer of Hiraya, Mr. Russell D. Maswerte din tayo, kasama ho natin sila sa Hiraya, and kasama rin natin ngayon ang magkapatid po na professional car drifters. We have Miss Ashley and Arian Season. Let's also acknowledge their father, si Dr. Drift, kasama din natin. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, meron po tayong kasama sa isa sa mga artist po natin for Hiraya. We're with the artist, songwriter, and music producer. Ang dami ho nitong talent. Ladies and gentlemen, Kim Leo. And also joining us this afternoon, mula ho sa Paramotor Philippines, isa ho sa mga piloto po natin. Aga rin dumating. Thank you so much, and please acknowledge Arthur Austria. Thank you so much for joining us, Sir Arthur, ha? Okay. So now, to formally kick things off, kailangan nating mapakinggan ang inihandang speech natin ng ating kaibigan to give us the welcome message and share what inspired the creation of Hiraya Night Sky Festival 2026. Please welcome Mr. Marvin Atienza. Marvin.
First of all, we'd like to thank you for coming today. We understand that we are almost a week from the event, but we sobrang na-appreciate po namin na nandito kayo ngayon. Lalo na sa mga media partners natin, Billionario, ABS-CBN, Kapamilyo Aling Word, Business Mirror Push, Soundcheck Manila, and all of you guys. Maraming pong salamat. The Hiraya Music Fest is a festival that we aim for. Hiraya is not just as a music festival, but it is a festival na magbibigay na maabot natin yung mga pangarap natin. From the root word itself, Hiraya. Yun po yan. Aspiration, hope, and dreams. So again po, maraming salamat for being here and for being part as a media team of Hiraya. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, the project head of Hiraya Night Sky Festival. Alam niyo po, Hiraya, hindi lang po ito festival na basta-basta. It's a conglomeration of a lot of ideas. At marami po ang mangyayari dito sa music festival na ito. What they want you to experience is not just purely music, but it's gonna be a multi-sensory experience where music, motion, and the night sky all come together. At mamaya, again, malalaman ninyo kung bakit namin nababanggit yan. The goal of Hiraya is simple and at the same time ambitious. Simple and ambitious. It is to create a festival na hindi lang po pinapanood, kundi nararanasan. So we want you to experience it with us in Pampanga. From the stage to the ground hanggang sa Himpapawid, lahat po may mangyayari for sure. And when you attend Hiraya, hindi lang kayo tatayo sa harapan ho ng stage. Tulad sinabi ko, marami po ang mangyayari dito. You will experience a lot of things. Music, you can feel. Movement, you can see. And moments, you'll surely remember. This festival is where may drifting po sa lupa. Meron pong paramotor sa Himpapawid. And may music, visuals, and energy all happening at the same time. So, sabi ko sa inyo, no, lahat, kung pwede isama pamilya ninyo, barkada ninyo, no, there's something for everybody here. Hiraya aims to push boundaries and celebrate Filipino talent and creativity. So, what can people expect at Hiraya Night Sky Festival 2026? We have prepared a presentation for you. Please take a look at our screen. We'll be having powerful performances. Yan po ang run-through ng artists natin for day 1 and then day 2. And of course, mamaya, babanggitin ko po isa-isa kanilang mga pangalan. We have car drifting with the Season family. We're very lucky to have them with us, of course. Paramore pilots flying and lighting up the night sky. Yan. And aside from that, siyempre hindi ho makukompleto ang Hiraya ho natin without again the car drifting, the adrenaline rush that we will experience. Grabe, ngayon pa lang I'm already excited. We have the Paramore pilots flying and lighting up the night sky. And of course, mamaya ho, papakita din natin dyan yung balita ko, marami ho tayong mga nakaantabay na hot air balloons. Yan. Hot air balloons, we have drone shows and immersive visual installations. At bukod po dyan, we have food, lifestyle, interactive zones for our festival goers. And now, hindi lang po ito concert ha. It's gonna be a 2 full day and 1 unforgettable weekend. So, you're seeing right now yung ating drone light show. Teaser lang po yan ang maaari ho rin yung masaksihan for Hiraya. So, there will be many things that you can look forward to, and I'm sure may enjoy yan with your family and your friends. And here are our artists. We have 4 of Spades. Kasama rin natin si Flo G. We're gonna be joined with Dionella. Mga bigatin po yung mga artists natin for Hiraya, of course. Juan Carlos will also be joining us. And of course, Rob Dania, the heartthrob. Kasama rin natin si Earl Agustin. At tutug din para sa atin si Amiel Sol. Tapos ng mga concert nila, no? And of course, we'll be having Raya with us at Hiraya. We also have Bandang Lapis. And the talented Sunkiss Lola. Daming huni niyong pwedeng abangan. Kasama rin natin si DJ Lovesy, the very beautiful DJ Lovesy. We're also with Quattro. Makakasama din po natin, of course, si Carl Timbol. And, of course, Sir Kim Leo. Baka mamaya pwede tayo pasama na ni Sir Kim, ha? Alright, yun po ang ating lineup of artists.